and unique shrubs for full sun in every growing zone. Apple Blossom Flower Carpet. Rose flower carpet roses are the ultimate low-maintenance rose. Masses of rose flowers cover the compact, sturdy branches through the late spring all the way to fall. Brandywine Viburnum. Brandywine Viburnum is one of those must-have plants with multicolored jewel-like berries, glossy leaves, and deep dark red fall color. Because the leaves are glossy, they seem to shine in the sunlight. Lemony Lace Elderberry. The award-winning Lemony Lace Elderberry will be a garden standout as it lives up to its lemony lime name and green foliage. The leaves start out red, yet their continued growth results in a magnificent yellow-green with slightly red edges. Midnight Sun Weigela. Make your fall garden tidy but loaded with color with Midnight Sun Weigela. This small mounded shrub will leaf out each spring, followed by pretty pink flowers in a trumpet shape. New Jersey Tea. A true American native plant, New Jersey tea is a tough shrub that needs little maintenance and is easy to grow in just about any garden. New Jersey tea attracts beneficial pollinators when in bloom and has lovely yellow stems after leaf fall in the winter. Pumpkin Street John's. Wort. Pumpkin St. John's wort is one versatile plant. It is a shrub that can be cut back like a perennial. It can be grown in the garden in large groups to act as a ground cover, especially on slopes. Shamrock Inkberry Holly. This compact holly is the border plant you've been searching for. Shamrock Holly, Ilex glabra. Shamrock develops bright green new foliage in the spring. Its rich green mature foliage is accented by black berries all winter. It is very adaptable and easy to care for. Sister Redhead Scotch Broom. Sister Redhead Scotch Broom has bright red pea-like flowers that are kissed with a tiny bit of gold, making those flowers stand out even more. This beauty is a standout in any garden in the spring. Tiny Tough Stuff. Hydrangea. The Tiny Tough Stuff trademark Hydrangea by proven winners. Color choice is the smallest, most compact hydrangea we offer. Don't let that fool you, though. This shrub packs a colorful punch with beautiful flowers that rebloom all season long. Vanilla Strawberry Hydrangea. The large white cone-shaped flowers of the vanilla strawberry hydrangea transition throughout the bloom cycle. Flowers start white and develop a light pink hue at the base before turning a rich, deep pink that eventually envelops the entire flower cluster. Explore cool and unique shrubs for full sun. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.